Hi, this is Chris from Untitled Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton GLH dual cab ute, stock reference number 4868. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 16 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 5 small dents, left hand side skirt sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, left rear 16 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. It has a Suncoast vehicle accessories alloy tray missing the rear tailgate with all bolts and brackets. Does have some damage to the right hand front guard. Right rear 16 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Untitled Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.